Here's Carol with the weather. Looks a little bit stormy. Morning.
Morning. Good morning, both. Good morning to you as well. Yes, it is pretty stormy today for some of us, or certainly very windy. In fact, as we go through the rest of this week, the wind will be a feature of the weather. There's also going to be rain at times, but we're going to hang on to this mild theme that we've been enjoying for the last wee while. Temperatures higher than we would expect at this stage in November. But this morning we've got rain across Northern Ireland, central and southern Scotland, northern England and Wales, coupled with very gusty winds, especially this morning across central and southern Scotland and across northern England, especially the Transpennine routes. So we're looking at gusts potentially 50, 60 miles an hour. Locally, it could even be 70 miles an hour. So there is the risk of some disruption. Bear all of that in mind if you're travelling in a high-sided vehicle or a light vehicle too. Now, there'll be a lot of surface water and spray on the roads. West Yorkshire, we could have problems with localised flooding, for example, and the rain will continue through the day. Move north of that band of rain, it's a sunny start across northern Scotland and the Highlands, and for central, the southern and eastern parts of England, well, it's a bright start with cloud building through the afternoon, but it should stay largely dry. Temperatures, not bad for the time of year, again, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wales hanging on to the rain, parts of northern England hanging on to the rain, although parts of the northeast could well see some brightness, but the rain will be continuing across Northern Ireland and much of Scotland away from the north and parts of the east. Worth also noting that in the Northern Isles later, the wind will strengthen. Here we'll be looking at gusts of about 60 miles an hour. Now, through the evening and overnight, the wind will pick up across Northern Ireland and Scotland. It will ease for a time in the middle of the night, then it will pick up again as we head towards the end of the night, especially across southern Scotland and also northern England. But it is going to be a very, very mild night for November. Look at those temperatures. They're more indicative, or maybe even a little higher than we'd expect the maximum daytime temperatures to be at this time of year. So tomorrow we start off with two distinctive bands of rain, one across Northern Ireland and Scotland, the next one turning more showery as it comes in across Wales, parts of northern England, possibly the Midlands and East Anglia, but there will be quite a lot of cloud around. It's also going to be windy tomorrow, not quite as windy as today, but some parts of the northwest could still have gusts up to 50 miles an hour. And tomorrow again, a warm day, especially across parts of southeast Scotland, northeast England, and also around the Cheshire area, where we could have highs 17 or 18 Celsius, again way above average. That leads us from Tuesday into Armistice Day, and you can see the weather front that's with us. It's going to be with us actually for a few days, and it still will be with us on Wednesday. You can tell also from the squeeze and the isobars it's going to be windy. So here's our band of rain from that weather front. Showers ahead of it across northern and western Scotland, 1 or 2 showers in some western facing coast in Wales and the southwest, but for the rest of England it's going to be largely dry, and there'll be some showers across Northern Ireland as well. So the weather is up and down all week, being wet and windy at times, Billy and Lou.
All right, Carol. We'll take that warning. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Many of you know trying to drag a teenager out of bed in the morning and get them to school on time can be a